Hello, this is Olivier. MDF objects are used more and more in SAP SuccessFactors across the suite. Sometimes fields in an MDF object have to be connected with a Picklist. This is what we will look at in this video. We will first have a look at an existing object. Then we will add a field to the MDF object definition. We will create a Picklist and we will connect the object with a newly created Picklist. Then we will verify the changes. We are now in the application. Let's have a look at an existing object. I'm going to go to Manage Data from the Action Search. And let's have a look at a position. I'm going to select the first one in the list to review the different fields that we have for this position. So I'm going to click on Take Action, Make Correction. We have many fields available to us: the ID, the change reason, the name, the status, and so on and so forth. Division, department, cost center, location. So maybe I would like to add a field in here that would be connected to a pick list to say that if this position is office-based, home office, or if it's flexible, for example. So first of all, I'm going to go to the object definition. From the action search, I will go to Configure Object Definition. I will select Object Definition from here and choose Position. Then I will click on Take Action, Make Correction, and I will scroll down and add a field that I will call Home Office Policy. So this column is the field name. So it's the technical name. It's not something that end users would see. So I would recommend to remove the spaces. And what end users would see is in fact the label. So under details, I will scroll down and add the label. And in the label, maybe I want to add the spaces that I want. I'm going to click Done, and I'm going to click Save Changes. And I'm going to click Save. From here, I'm going to check in Manage Data to see if I see that field. Again, I will select Position, and I will select the first one in the list. Take Action, Make Correction. So notice that I can see Home Office Policy, and I could type whatever I want. So maybe I would prefer to have a pick list so that end users wouldn't type anything wrong. From here, I'm going to first create my pick list from the Picklist Center. I have my pick lists from here, and if I want to create a new one, I'm going to click the plus icon. I'm going to call this Office Policy. And I need to remember the code because I will use the code in the field in the object definition. So it's active. I want to select a date in the past. So if it's connected to an object that existed in the past, that was created a long time ago, I would still be able to use my pick list. So that's a best practice to create your pick list with a date in the past. Alphabetical order, that sounds good to me. I'm not going to type any parent pick list or legacy pick list ID. I'm just going to save and add the values. So this is my newly created pick list. And to add the values within this pick list, I just need to click the plus icon. So I'm going to say office-based. I'm going to say home-based. And I will finally say flexible. So there are 3 values in this pick list. And I will click create. So now I need to put in place a connection between this particular pick list and my field in the object definition. So let's go back to configure object definition. I will select again the object definition from here and then the position. I will click take action, make correction and scroll down. So for the field type, maybe I want to select pick list from here, or I could probably select the data type from here as well. So I'm going to select pick list. So now this is important, valid values source. This has to correspond with the pick list code. So I will type the pick list code exactly that correspond to what I wrote before when I created my pick list. And click done. I will click save. So there is a pop-up message for the confirmation. Are you sure you want to change the data type of the following fields, custom home office policy? If data exists, all the data associated with the above fields will be deleted. So it means that whatever I typed for that field before will not be there anymore when I associate this field with a pick list. I'm going to click yes. I will now verify my modification from manage data. So from the action search, I will type manage data. I will select position. And again, the first one that I have on the list, the first position in the list. If I scroll down, notice that home office policy, I don't have any information anymore. I'm going to click take action, make correction. Now I have this drop-down menu and the 3 options, the 3 values that I created from the pick list center. I can select home-based, click save, scroll down, and notice that I have the good value for that field now. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching it.